Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove a picture password that you may have set up on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. You want to now go ahead and select Accounts on the left side. And on the right side, select Sign In Options. Go ahead and select where it says Picture Password. Swipe and tap your favorite photo to unlock your device. And select the Remove option. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.